Okay, I'm trying to, and I'm bagging and unboxing, whatever you want to call it. And I have my beautiful baby. And she's gonna love me, ain't she, baby doll? Okay. Come on, yeah, so you know you're not. Okay. This is the presentation. Okay, so I've already kind of started the tape and whatnot because I knew it could be hard for me to get everything together. My mom told me that trying to do it without ripping a lot of pieces. Alright. I'll probably just put it together. There is jelly beans and candy snowflakes in here. Alright, and here's one of these. And this is hard to get open, okay. I guess you're just like, okay. So it's like, that's cool. Okay, now that we found that, let's go get into this. Mommy likes to play with stuff. Hey, don't she? Alright. Almost got it. Mommy almost got it. She's in love. Almost come off. Let it go. Alright. And there's some little activities I can cut out for her and me to do. And I think that's it. Yes. Now we can put this somewhere and stuff that belongs to her and me and a couple other people. Well, that's weird. I don't even see any of it come off. Maybe it's supposed to be like that. I don't know. Okay, well, there's that. That was not like normal, but whatever. Of course, there's this. There's this. And yeah. And then I don't know what I did with the other part. I threw it over that way. I don't know where it is right now. But she seems to enjoy Olaf as much as Mommy does. Yeah. Yeah, Mommy loves Olaf too. Alright, so she's gonna probably enjoy this as time goes on. Because I'm really liking this. Even though it's like cheap. But I didn't pay that. Well, we didn't pay that much for it, so it was a steal compared. But thank you for watching. Bye.